everyone, welcome back to Bochiknot and Bochiknot.com. My name is Nicole. If you guys don't already know, in this channel you will find everything macrame related, and today we will be going over a DIY pattern tutorial on some Pipa knot earrings. I introduced earlier this week how to make the Pipa knot, and now we're going to take that knot and make a macrame project from it. And you'll just need to make the knot 2 times to make a pair of earrings, so it's fairly simple. And with that, let's get started. Before we begin, you will need some materials and supplies. I've used a 3mm single strand cotton cord for my earrings, but you'll also need some earring hooks and some small metal rings to attach onto the earring hooks. The cord I am using is a single strand rose gold cotton cord, and it has gold metallics in it. I have some earring hooks here, and you can get these at any craft or jewelry making store. I got mine, I believe, off Amazon, so if you guys are interested in getting the same ones, I'll post a link in the video description below. The rose gold rings I have here are from some undergarment hooks that I bought a while ago. You can find other various earring embellishments in various shapes and sizes. I wanted to use a larger one to fit my 3mm cotton cord. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some pliers to pry open the little hook at the bottom of the earring hook so that we can place the metal ring through. Once you have a little gap from the loop, place the ring through and then use the pliers again to seal that loop back. Once the earring hook is closed off, we will do the same thing on the other earring hook. Once both rings are attached, we will now make the macrame. So taking one strand of cord at 50 centimeters long, we're going to weave the string through the ring. The front end of the string is going to be the shorter part of the string that we're going to start with. So we're going to leave about 10 to 15 centimeters of space there. Then we're going to take the longer end and we're going to make a loop on top of the shorter cord end. And then we're going to wrap the long end behind and through to the front, following the same loop that we had made from before. Then bring it back again and repeat again for another loop at the front. Bring it back once more and then place the cord end through the center. Straighten out the loops within the knot by pulling on one section at a time so that all the sections are even. Then turn the knot upside down, and with the 2 cord ends at the back, make a double overhand knot. Making sure not to pull on the knot too tightly, just making sure that it is nice and snug. Cut off the excess cord ends. And you are now complete with the first side of the earring. We will now repeat all the steps again on the second earring hook. And you are now complete with the pair of Pipa knot earrings. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time.